everyone, welcome to my channel Travel with Rupali. Today I'm going to take you to a historical place. Welcome to Kunigal Lake, located in Tumkur district of Karnataka, has significant historical and cultural significance. The lake was built during the reign of Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, in the 18th century. It was built to serve as a water reservoir to irrigate the surrounding agricultural lands. The lake also played a significant role during the Anglo-Mysore wars in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. It was used by the Mysore army to store and supply water to their troops during battles against the British. The lake's strategic location near the Bangalore-Mangalore highway made it an important asset for both sides during the wars. This is a magnet attached with a string. People offer coins in the lake. Local people later on fetch these coins by using this magnet. This is called local solution. This is a beautiful and serene lake that is a must visit for nature lovers and those seeking some peace and want to be away from the noisy city life. The lake is also home to a historic temple dedicated to Lord Hanuman. This temple was built during the Vijayanagara Empire and is a popular pilgrimage site for devotees. The lake is surrounded by lush greenery, making it an ideal spot for nature lovers.
My colleague Safi. So Safi, आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे इस लेक के बारे में?
This Kunigal Lake is one of the biggest lake in Tumkur district.
A local folk song was composed with reference to Kunigal Lake. Folk songs and compositions are often passed down through generations.
So as you see here, there is something written in Kannada, and we are at Kunigal Lake. I have my colleague Harish. Harish, can you just tell me what is the significance of this?
This is for the Moodal Kunigal Kere. This was also song also. Moodal Kunigal Kere, Nodor Gondai Boga.
Something like that, no?
Gondai Boga.
Oh, nice.
My name is Kumar. This background lake is situated in Kunigal. It comes under Tumkur district in Karnataka state. It's an historic lake. It's the biggest lake in our state.
You were saying something about a dedicated song.
This song was adapted in the film directed by Hyder Chandrasekhar and Anna Pritiya Uduga.
Kunigal Lake is a perfect gateway for those looking for enjoying some time in nature. Whether you are a fishing enthusiast or a nature lover, Kunigal Lake has something for everyone.
Feeling super fresh. The song which has been dedicated in the name of Kunigal Lake, it's been played right now, and we are heading back. Such a beautiful memory.
Back there.
Look at the doggy. There is a dog behind us.
Thank you for watching my channel. If you are enjoying the content and want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.